I saw the huge playground on an enormous football field in front of the school. As a kid, I really wanted to get on that slide. The lot is also located near my home, making it easier to travel to school.
I study here because my mom sent me to this school because I like English, and at this school we have English program, so I studied here.
My parents enrolled me here because of the interesting program and a great society.
That makes sense. What have you gained from studying at Lala?